Oh shit!
Oh shit!
It's civil war!
It's a race!
Civil war is happening right now.
UPS is winning!
UPS taking the overtake on the FedEx truck! Bro, you know that FedEx driver is big pissed right now. That's hilarious. It's so loud, it's got no exhaust. When your catalytic converter decides to just delete itself. Yeah, Brennan's car just straight up doesn't have an exhaust right now. It's literally, if you go and look at its back bumper, there's no pipe there. Oh, he's backing. You don't have reverse lights.
No, or brake lights.
Or an exhaust.
No, or power steering.
When we're getting out of here, I feel like you don't even need to get your ticket validated. Like, dude, this will get under the thing.
I mean, I'm gonna get the ticket validated.
But honestly,
but if I can try to go under,
I feel like you can just slide. Like, dude, you should leave before me. I just want to see if you could go right under. Because, dude, if there's any car in the world that will do that, it would be this car for sure.
Right. Look how much of the space I didn't take up.
Yeah, this is how much space you can add your exhaust on afterward.
Yeah.
Is it just like headers and then...
That's it. It's just headers.
Dude, I can hear it so much from being in front of you.
Dude, yeah. I saw you pull up and film yourself. I was like, ah, f this guy.
Anyone got a 14 mil?
Yeah, right? Can you just like, oh, okay, you can just unthread it.
Wait, really? You can just take it out?
hand-threaded?
No way. Wait, so now... wait, no, put it behind my car. Dude, I'm posted in.
Boy, what the hell? They got my boy messed up right now. What the?
Bro, I'm not allowed to leave.
St. Louis, do not go there. There's no chance. There is no chance of going under that. Ah.
Today, we're adding something onto the S14. Now, those of you who've been following along with this car know that there is a specific spot on it that is missing. It's pretty much this entire side of my front bumper. So way back last spring, I crashed, hit a wall at park, and lost that piece of bumper. And it's completely unrepairable because this whole side shattered into a million other little fiberglass pieces. We're gonna hopefully try and do something about that now. There's a bunch of other little small things I wanna do to this car as well, which I'll hopefully try and document as we kind of bring this into the rebirth and revival phase of the cotton candy machine. But we obviously gotta start out with the most important at least for YouTube that is, and that is of course the front bumper, because once we get that on there, then the whole thing will at least look visually complete. So right here is our special shipment all the way from Japan, but I'll get into that in a second because I want to show you guys something else. Voila, right here we have indeed long-awaited new cotton candy color block merch. This is a brand new fresh hoodie that has been completely custom made, fresh drop, just like how we custom made the Harlequin hoodies to match the R8. Well, now we've custom made our own color blocks to match the cotton candy machine. So these are now live, available. You guys can go get them right now before they sell out. Who knows how quick these are gonna go, because the last time we had cotton candy color blocks, they were one of the best items we ever sold. It is by far way too hot outside to be wearing a hoodie, but I'm gonna wear it just for you guys for this video so that you guys could see this glorious masterpiece of a merch item we've created. Now let's go unbox that bumper. Now, I wasn't lying when I said that this thing was from Japan. This was literally straight from Japan. This is the GP Sports front bumper that we've gotten for the Koki S14. Here it is. What a sight to see the GP Sports G-Sonic Koki front bumper. Koki S14 owners know how freaking cool of a moment this is for me. Now, basically, when you own a Japanese car that has an extensive aftermarket arrangement of parts, finding the exact one that you want can be tedious, but usually when you do stumble upon that dream part, it's something that is rare, not available here in the States, and only available over there in Japan. And that's happened a couple times, obviously with the Skyline, and of course it's gonna happen with an S chassis. So when it came around to looking at front bumpers, I scoured the internet for like hours and hours and hours to find the exact front bumper that pretty much balanced out with the rest of my aero perfectly and had just the best design that I wanted to complete the car. Now, of course, any authentic JDM bumper is never gonna be cheap, and of course, shipping it from Japan is gonna be even more expensive on top. So I honestly never thought I was gonna pull the trigger on this, but just seeing how hard it is to find in a USDM or any other JDM Koki front bumper, I figured, why not? I'm gonna have to pay shipping for any sort of bumper anyway. I might as well just splurge a little, and that's why it's been taking some time for me to finally get this front bumper fixed and get something to replace it on there. But the months have passed by. It is now finally arrived here straight from Japan, and we're gonna go mock it up on the car. I'm actually so impressed. They come with pre-drilled holes. I guess this is why you always gotta buy real aero. Oh man, seeing it in person, first time mounted on the car, it's honestly everything I could have hoped for. See, the biggest thing I wanted with this front bumper is if you can notice how the line of it pretty much matches to how the bottom of my skirts carry out. I just wanted that line to be perfectly balanced out. And actually my previous bumper, because it was a fake Vertex bumper, it actually like angled itself upward to, I guess, allow for more clearance, but you could tell it definitely something looked off about it because of that, whereas this bumper just completely continues on the side skirt line at the bottom there all the way out to the front. It is hard to visualize some of it because it's white, but this is definitely the end game right here. I actually tried out like 2 other bumpers that I found locally that were just cheap and easy, and just none of them had a result anywhere near close to what I wanted for the car. So I am super glad I ended up going with this, but don't be surprised if you still see the other smash bumper on this car when drifting, because it'd be a shame to put this bumper right back into a wall. So I think I might take it off when I'm out sliding. I don't know, we'll see, but I'm definitely gonna get this wrapped, probably hit up Cameron. Triple Style has in fact sent me the missing pieces for the livery for the side fender and the front bumper. So yeah, we're gonna completely revive the car to, frankly, an even better state than it was before. The more I look at it, the more I'm like, yes.
You don't even have to cut it?
Huh?
Well, I mean, you're gonna cut it obviously because the jack point.
Yeah.
That looks good.
Dude, it flows so well with the car.
Yeah.
I honestly like this angle right here. God, it's so mean.
It goes with the skirts a lot better.
Yeah, that was honestly, that was the whole really big intention on why I picked this bumper out of everything. It's just simple, but it goes with my aero kit. It goes with the style of the car.
Just don't break this one.
I'll try not to. No promises though, it's a drift car.
The same horn as it has the same horn as the Raptor, I swear.
What up?
What's happening?
Wait.
Hi.
What? What? What?
Wait a minute. Get the fuck out of this car. How did this happen? No, get out of the way.
What the fuck?
What do you mean, how did this happen? This.
No. No. No.
My homie.
No.
This is my brother-in-law.
No. How?
This just happened. He wasn't in on it.
No.
Didn't tell anyone.
No, I'm not. I'm realizing this now.
I was like, who the fuck's in the passenger seat? And I was like,
How long are you here for? You don't know?
Leave on the same day he leaves.
Well, so Zach made it up here. He didn't tell us that Justin was coming with. We have a mini gamers reunion right now that just spontaneously has occurred. So Zach's here visiting. You guys have seen Zach all the time, like in vlogs or whatever, and every time he comes up, he like visits from Arizona. So he's visiting again, except this time he's staying forever. He
forever.
he is quite literally moving into the house tonight. Justin
I just hitchhiked.
Maybe someday Justin's moving, unless that's a part of the surprise as well.
He's moving it too. Like,
Dude, this is, I haven't seen this. The rig. We packing in some Chevys in the UltraMotive house. Holy crap. Okay, so this is how you know I'm not making this up. Oh, yo.
Bro, how did you drive?
also, it has a rear view camera, so we're chilling there.
Oh, you're good.
So, yeah.
He has this thing so packed, I couldn't even bring like luggage. I had to stuff everything in a bag.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
there's dry food in the fridge.
This dude brought a fridge.
Yeah.
Dude, wait, hang on. Wait, oh, I was like, where's the door handle? Okay, freaking.
His uke.
You know, we got bored, so I had to bring something to have moment.
Bro, it literally made the sound that when you smash like a guitar or ukulele, just a
It's a storyteller. Story time, you know? There you go.
Dude, there's a fridge. All the way from freaking Arizona, Zach has made it here, and he is moving in to the UltraMotive household. You'll be seeing a lot more of this Sonic probably in the background of videos. I haven't addressed this in any previous vlogs or anything, but Lance actually has moved out of the house. He moved back to Iowa, where he was from, and sadly, we won't be seeing any more of Lance and his Civic Si within the current time. We are now going to be seeing more of Zach over here. He's pretty much filling in Lance's spot. Dustin's still staying around here. Dustin's not going anywhere. We were just chilling out here waiting all night for Zach to arrive, and we thought it was going to be just Zach. We had no idea that he was bringing a surprise guest with him to temporarily stay along with. Bro,
The one reverse light.
Does he know? Oh, keep going.
Does it have two?
I don't know.
Is it out?
Are you supposed to have one reverse light or two?
Yeah, it's not working.
There's two.
Huh? No, there's one.
There's not a bulb in that?
There is a bulb, but I don't know why it doesn't work. So.
Probably like a fuse or I don't know.
Yeah, I think it's needing a new bulb. Yeah,
Okay, well we'll start. Yeah. We'll start with this. Yeah. Here, you could.
I got my water bottles.
Fridge.
Yeah. Oh, yo, you have the fridge too.
The fridge? Oh yeah.
Yeah, you have the fridge.
The second fridge.
Yeah, you have the second fridge. Yo, easy.
You see a cool party trick in this car?
Yeah.
I told you about it, but like where like squats, and you go.
What?
Oh, what the heck? Wait, do it one more time.
Do that again.
And it's like. That's how I wanted to actually sit normally.
This thing's got air suspension.
Yeah, pretty much. Celebratory, new roommate moving in. They get to park their car in here for the first night. We kicked the S14 out, you know how it is. And well, at least it's easy to fit. It definitely, it's quite roomy. Little Sonic. How much you pick this thing up for?
It was 12 total.
12?
Yeah.
What a steal.
Go pick up a Chevy Sonic right now. 2017 model, doesn't even look that silly. Dude, this is a good first car. Bro, don't listen to people, don't buy an S13. Buy one of these right here. You're gonna, like, it's gonna take you much further lengths.
Don't buy a Civic either.
We're gonna wrap the Camaro at some point, and we should wrap both Chevys the same color and just have them sit together. That'll just be hilarious.
Wrap the roof black.
Yeah, definitely.
That's so funny. All the stupid Chevys do the thing that when you like put it in park and leave it, it's just the reverse light is on.
Dude.
Yep.
For visibility,
And
but it
making
just looks
sure-
like you just left your car in reverse.
It's so nobody crosses you though. Like you get scared when someone's reverse lights are on. So like you're not gonna come close to it because you think they're gonna back up and hit you.
So Chevy just like, you know, protection.
I think so.
I don't know where to start.